What the fuck? Look at that fucking zoom, man. Amazing. Zooming with a zoom. Big bird coming in. Oh fuck, that's a 737-200. That is one of the most vintage commercial jetliners still in service. I think that's Air Inuit, their first air. Listen how loud that baby is, yeah! Woohoo! Looks like an early 70s plane, I think. Man, I got a big jetliner coming in. Big fucking bird coming in right now on landing approach. I don't know what it is yet. I'm filming as I'm talking to you. It's, let's see.
Did you film it?
Yeah, it looks like it's Air Canada. You can always see how big a plane is by how long the wingspan is. You know, the width of the wings. I'm going to say this is like, oh, probably an A330 Airbus, something like that. It's big.
Yep.
777, I think.
Yeah. Remember last time we went to tree spotting and we come across some bunch of airplanes coming in?
Sure.
Yeah, and one time I saw Air Transit.
I'm gonna film this plane here. Just a minute. Maybe that's Donald frickin' Trump up there, eh? Yeah, right. Nice plane. Probably a Canadair. Laval.
Yeah, remember you told me you saw the tornado somewhere in Canada?
Oh yeah, Quebec gets tornadoes every year.
Yeah. Yeah, they call it the Quebec call it tornado season.
Hang on a sec.
Area of Quebec, that's what they call it.
Whoa, what's this plane coming in? It's like a private jet, but wow, it looks so cool in the sun. It looks all golden. Wow, that's neat. I don't know. Oh, you know what? That's a Bombardier test plane. That's what it is. Wow, yeah, it's only half painted. Wow, that's cool to see that.
Bombardier?
Yeah, it's a Bombardier test plane.
You know they have one in the United States, right?
Oh, of course. Wait a second, dude. Wait a second. I'm filming a big jetliner coming in here. Hang on a minute. Hang on a second. I'll put it right. Hang on. I'll be right back. Oh man. Probably Air Canada. Eh? She's a big mother. Oh, it's an Airbus A340. Fucking right on. What airline is that? Holy shit. Oh man, I don't have the best view of it. Damn it. Is it? I think it's a Corsair. Oh man, I'm right fucking, oh man, it could be a 747, I wouldn't even know. Oh wow, far out. I can't see a damn thing now. Oh wow, cool. Yeah man. Can you believe the fucking zoom on this baby? Look, I'm still zooming in on it, for Christ's sake. Look at that. That's an Air Canada plane, I think. Unfucking real. Let me show you. Look at this. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. Come fly with me, come fly away. Pretty cool, that zoom, man. I can't believe it still. Mind you, the zoom doesn't work the best though when there's just the slightest wind. Anyway, you get the idea. Well, that's a first for me. Ha! That's a first. 737 again, vintage 737-200 twice. Holy cow! I have been outside a long time. Oh, she's a fucking big one. Nice slow and low. Look at that. Is it? Or is it a crop duster? Oh, it's a crop duster, I think. Ah, whatever. Planes are planes, you know? And scrap is scrap. What do we got? What do we got? Air Canada, probably. Swiss Air, maybe. I don't know. Right underneath. What do we have here? Can't make it out. I think it's Air Canada.